With the fifth example from the exercises. What is said here? A constant force of 2.5 Newton acts on a stationary particle. So here this is the stationary particle, that is initially it is in a state of rest, and a force of 2.5 Newton is acting on it. The mass of this particle is 15 gram. That would be equal to 15 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram. Okay, and the force displaces this object through 2.5 meter. So here the displacement of the object is 2.5 meter. So I can say here the work done by the constant force is given by Fs cos theta. Here the force is 2.5 Newton, the displacement is 2.5 meter, and they are in the same direction, so theta will be 0. So work done will be equal to 6.25 joule. That is the work done on the object. Secondly, what is the power delivered to the object? So in how much time this displacement is there? So the initial velocity is 0, displacement is of 2.5 meter, and I can calculate acceleration by taking force upon mass here. So acceleration is force upon mass, so it will be 2.5 upon 15 into 10 to the power minus 3. So let's find the time taken for 2.5 meter displacement, which can be easily find out by second equation of motion, s equal to ut plus half at square. So s would be equal to, the initial velocity is 0, so this term becomes 0, half acceleration 2.5 upon 15 into 10 to the power minus 3 into t we need to find. Here the value of displacement is known to us, which is 2.5 meter. So 2.5 is equal to 2.5 upon 2 into 15 would be 30 into 10 to the power minus 3 into t square. This 2.5 and this 2.5 get cancelled, so t square will comes out to be 30 into 10 to the power minus 3. So t square will be equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 2. So t will be equal to under root of this whole thing. The value of root 3 is 1.732 10 raised to minus 1. So the time taken for this complete operation would be equal to 0.1732 second. So we need to find power. So what is power? It is the rate of doing work. So average power will be equal to total work done upon total time. So that would be 6.25 upon 1.732. For easy calculation, I will write this as root 3 into 10 raised to minus 1. That would be easier. So power will be equal to 62.5 upon root 3. Let rationalize it. Multiply and divide by root 3. So that comes out to be 6.25 into 1.73, that is value of root 3 upon root 3 into root 3 is 3. And I can solve this for easy calculation here. So I can say here 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 21, approximately 0.57. So on multiplying this, you will get our power as 36.1 watt. And that is the answer to this question. Okay, thank you.